Okay, good afternoon, Anna. So we will discuss today uh, President, Indian President, emergency powers, emergency power. So yesterday we have the complete topic is President General powers. President General powers. So the President General powers is execute powers, legislative powers, judicial power, and judicial powers, diplomatic powers, financial powers, financial powers financial powers and other powers. So president powers, it was divided by two categories. How many categories? Two categories. The first category is the general powers. Second category is the emergency powers. Emergency powers are extraordinary powers. So you can see the extraordinary powers or emergency powers. So it was mentioned from your Indian Constitution, 18th part. Which part? 18th part. 18th part. It was mentioned from the present emergency powers. What is the present emergency powers? Present can be implementations and used three emergency powers. First is the national emergency under Article 352. Under Article 352. And next, the President Rule 356 article. The President Rule 356 article. And third is the Financial Emergency 360 article. 360 article. So, President can be utilizing and implementations this three article within the certain time, certain incident only, certain period only. So, first of all, we will discussing what is the meaning of national emergency. National emergency. So, once again, you can see here, President extraordinary power. It was divided by our Indian Constitution three categories. How many categories? Three categories. First is the national emergency under Article 352. Second is the President's Rule 356. Third is the financial emergency Article 360. So this all three things it was mentioned. It was added by from the part of your Indian Constitution's 18th part. Which part? 18th part. So first of all, we will discussing today national emergency under Article 352. Today we will discuss about the first topic is the national emergency under Article 352. 352 article. 352. So the president the president the president the president can declare such an emergency only on the basis of a written request by the cabinet headed by the prime minister during a national emergency many fundamental rights many fundamental rights of Indian citizens can be suspended. So first of all, you can see here the president can declare such an emergency only on the basis of a written request by the cabinet headed by the prime minister. Because Article 352, when it was implemented by president in the part of the Indian territory, only certain period only. Any country can be declared by war against India or internally in the part of the our current internally we are facing some internally some problems. So that time president will be ready to implementations. Article number 352. The article number 352, it was explained to us national emergency. National emergency. So during a national emergency, many fundamental rights of Indian citizens can be suspended, because when it was implemented by President, national emergency article number 352, that time, so temporarily we loss of fundamental rights. These fundamental rights, so we are getting from the our Indian constitutions, from the part 3, 12 to 35 articles, 12 to 35 articles. So we can write one common definitions of the national emergency. This also you can write. You can write the president when he was ready to implemented by national emergency article under article 352, after approved by cabinet. After, so he is ready to introduce and implementations president national emergency from the part of Indian territory. And emergency provisions, right now emergency provisions are contained in part 18th of the Constitution of India. The President of India has the power to impose emergency rule in any or all the Indian states if the security of part or all of India is threatened by war or external aggression or armed rebellion Okay. National emergency under Article 352. So emergency provisions are contained in part 18th. So which part? 18th part from the Indian Constitution. It was clearly explained to us emergency powers. So these emergency powers have the authority only President of India. So he or she may be utilized, implemented from the Indian territory some certain period or certain moment only. So the constitutions of India, the President of India has the power to impose emergency rule in any or all the Indian states if the security of part or all of India is threatened by war or external aggressions or armed rebellion. So that time President can be implemented as 352 article. So when the president, he may be implemented 352 article in the part of the Indian territory. It will affect exactly 6 months. How many months? Only 6 months. So after 6 months, president will be remove the 352 article. Either the condition is not well, again the parliament and cabinet will be extension to again 6 months. So, but president non-authority implementation 352 article long period, because Indian constitutions it was clearly mentioned only 6 months it will affect in the part of the Indian territory. After 6 months it will complete it. Later president can give the permission of the cabinet. So cabinet given green signal. After president will be ready to implementations 352 article continue. So but president not authority implementations 352 article long period. So because when the president will be ready to implementation 352 article only certain moment, certain situations only. What are the situations? Any country will be declared war or external aggressions. External aggressions means internally our political system will be disturbed. Armed rebellion. Any army will be any army means we have the three army forces. Example, military and air force, and there is a navy. So any army rebellion will be attacked by India and taking the some powers to their hands. So that time, so armed rebellion. That time the president will be ready to introduce and implementations 352 article. So this 352 article, how many times it was implemented by President of India? So it is actually this bit will coming from the annual examinations only 2 marks. Describe the national emergency 352 article. So the president have the emergency powers 3. So the examiner can be asking to out of 3 anyone from the annual examination 352 or 356 or 360 article. So it is a maybe coming from the annual examination only 2 marks. Maximum 360 article is very important. 352, 356 very important. So 352 or 356. So last 360 is not came from the previous exams. But maximum 352 or 356 we will expecting from the annual examinations. So you can write here particularly. So president, how many times he was implemented 352 article in the part of the our country. So here you can see that first of all such an emergency was declared in India in 1962. 1962 war. 1962 war. China versus India. China versus India. It's the first president was ready to introduce and implemented 352 article. Which year? 1962. 1962 war. What happened that time? So China was declared war against India. So that time president was implemented 352 article, and it is a first. And second, you can write 1971. 1971 war. Pakistan versus India. Pakistan versus India. That time also president was implemented by 352 article in the part of the Indian territory. And third, 1975 internal disturbance declared by Indira Gandhi. Who is that? Declared by Indira Gandhi. So actually up to 1962 to up to 2020, so president was implemented by 352 articles only 3 times in the part of the our country. So because firstly 1962, secondly 1971, thirdly 1975. only we saw only 3 times only. President was implemented national emergency article 352. So first is the 1962, second is the 1971, third is the 1975. So that time we are all fundamental rights. All fundamental rights, president can be suspended to us. Why? Because every citizen will be eligible to getting some fundamental rights, because it was given by our Indian constitutions, 12th article to 35 article from the third part of the Indian constitutions. So when the president will be introduced 352 article and he was implemented 352 article in the part of the our country, so that time temporarily president will be dissolved these fundamental rights. Only the time of the period we are eligible, we can getting the only two rights. Only two rights. So what are the two rights? You can write that. Two rights means 20 and 21 only. 20 article and 21 article. Article number 20, article number 21. Article number 20, article number 21. Article number 20, it's give the what is the gives protection in respect of conviction for offences. This also. And article number 21. Article number 21. 21 article gives the right to life and also personal liberty. Personal liberty. So only when president, when he was ready to implemented 352 article, that time primarily we loss of fundamental rights. So president is suspended to fundamental rights totally except two rights. That is a article number 20 and article number 21. Article number 20. So it was given the what is the explained to us, gives protections in respect of convictions for offences. This also. And article number 21 gives the right to life and personal liberty. So the time of the national emergency period 352 article, that time we are eligible getting of the only two types of rights. Remaining rights will be suspended by President of India. So what is the meaning of 352? 352 article means when as per our Indian constitutions, President have the two powers majorly. It is one general powers, another is emergency powers. So general powers means the executive powers, legislative powers, financial powers, judicial powers, diplomatic powers, and other powers. So we have completed yesterday general powers. Today we will discuss present emergency powers. President have the three emergency powers. So that is the three emergency power. What is that? 352 article national emergency and 356 state rule, state emergency period, state emergency rule or president rule, and third is the financial emergency. Financial emergency, article number 360. So firstly 1962 president was implementations 352 article in the part of the India. So China declared by war against India. That time president was implemented by 352 article. And after later 1971 also India and Pak war time also we saw national emergency period 352 article. And later 1975 that time internally disturbed, because internally politically disturbed. That time Srimati Indira Gandhi was implemented 352 article in the part of the Indian territory. So only 3 times it was implemented by different presidents in the part of the country. The article number 352. So it is very important bit. And after, so we will discuss in the another 356 article. 356 article. 356 article. What is the explain to us? Article number 352 we have completed now. So next article number 356. Article number 356. President rule. The president rule. President rule. President rule. It is the second emergency powers of the President of India. So 356 article. Which article? 356 article. Article right now 356 of the Constitution of India gives the President of India the power to impose this rule on a state on the advice of the Union Council of Ministers. President's rule refers to the suspension of a state government and the impositions of direct rule of the center. Okay, so you can see here article number 356. It was implemented only state level only state level. When president will be implemented this 356 article, because government not run well, government not ruled by well, so government failure, not controlled by law and order in the state level. So as per governor report, after governor report, so central cabinet will be discuss about the president rule, one part of the state level. After when it was approved by parliament, after president will be ready to introduce and implement it to president rule in the part of the one state level. So here totally that time there is no state government. State government president will be suspended by state government, and Vidhana Sabha also suspended. Vidhana Sabha means in the part of the state level we have the two legislature houses. One is the Vidhana Sabha, another is the Vidhana Parishad. So that time president can be suspended to two legislatures, Vidhana Sabha and Vidhana Parishad. So that time, so there is no government, any government from the state level. So when president will be implementations this 356 article in the part of state level, the state government not ruled by well in the favor of the peoples, in the favor of the state level. So the state government going against of the against going of the Indian Constitution, and the state government should be make against some laws from the constitution level. So, and also government, state government not controlled by law and order in the state level. So that time governor will be prepared, governor will be sending one report against the state government to forward that report to central government and Indian president. After central government and president will be confirmed that matter or subject is right or wrong. After approved by parliament this matter, so president will be ready to introduce this 356 article in the part of the state level. So you can write, so president rule was, you write now, rule was, president rule was imposed 125 times. How many times? 125 times. Between 1971 to 2020, 49 years. So 1971 to up to 2020, it was implemented in the part of the in India, different states, totally 125 times. How many times president was implemented 356 article in the part of the country? You can write 125 times it was implemented by different Indian presidents. So this article also, when it was implemented in the specific one state level, it will be affected exactly 6 months only. Exactly 6 months only. So that time, who is the ruler of the state level? Governor is become a ruler. There is no chief minister, there is no minister, there is no any MLS. Only governor is become a ruler of the state level. He was basically he was a representative of the president. Governor is a representative of the president. So governor will be ruling as per central government direction, advice, and president, Indian president suggestion. So that time every law and every bill will be passed by directly governor only, state governor. Because when the president rule was implemented in the one state level, so there is no state government. State government also not there because president can be suspended by state government. So that time, so actually it is a military rule. It is a military. Military will be under the military will take in the state level. So here you can see the article number 356 of the Constitutions of India gives the Presidents of India the power to impose this rule on a state on the advice of the Union Council of Ministers, and with President's rule refer to the suspensions of a state government and the impositions of the direct rule of the center only. So this is a 356 article. So how many times it was implemented in India? So you can write clearly. It was implemented by this 356 article exactly up to 1971 to 2020. 125 times it was implemented by different Indian presidents. So this is a president rule. So this president rule maybe it will be repeated in previous exams. Our subject 2 marks only. And lastly, we have the 360 article. So 352 we have completed, and also 352 we have completed, 356 also completed. Lastly, we have the one is a 360 article. 360 article. 360 article also very important. 360 article also very important. So this 360 article. Financial number 3, financial emergency article 360 article 360 of the constitution mention mentions financial emergency. Financial emergency. The power to impose the power to impose this emergency rests with the president. It only mention that if any financial stability or credit situation is threatened. Okay, article number 360 of the Constitution mentions financial emergency. The power to impose this emergency rests with the president. Is only mentioned that is if any financial financial stability or credit situations is threatened. So it was also implemented by president only. Financial stability, financial conditions is not very the part of the state level, in the part of the national level. So president will be ready to implementations this 360 article up to present, not implementations at least once time. This last article, because we saw only 352 and 356 article it was implemented by president, but last article president not implemented by in India because we not suffering financial problem high levels. That's why president not introduced and not implemented by the 360 article in the part of Indian territory. Thank you, Manoj.